Hi, please join me for a little yoga, releasing the tension in your neck and shoulders. Hello, I'm Xiu Lei. This is Alameda, California, an island with a mix of urban and suburban vibes. Here, in the heart of geographically diverse East Bay. Let's begin. Please find a way to sit comfortably tall, sitting on the ground or in a chair. The buttocks is heavy, the belly is pulled gently in and up, and the shoulders are relaxed. The low back has a lot of space between each vertebrae. Prioritize the breath being smooth and even throughout the whole practice. Yoga differs from stretching by focusing on breath. This mindful approach transforms yoga into meditation. And meditation deepens the connection to the mind, body, and spirit for a potent practice. With your hands at the sides, inhale and sweep the arms up to the sky. Exhale and bring the hands to your heart center. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands fall to the heart. Arms up, shoulders stay down. If this doesn't feel good for the shoulders, don't lift the arms too high. Here's a variation, just bringing the hands just to my head and back down. Inhale, the arms can rise high or just to the height of your head. Exhale, hands to the heart. Right hand on your left knee. Left hand on the back of the chair or on the ground behind you. Inhale, lift tall. Exhale as you spiral to the left and look way back. Focus on a smooth, even breath. The hand stays on the knee, but look forward with your left hand to the side. As you inhale, sweep your left arm up and over, creating an arc shape across the sky. Look up. Release and other side. Left hand, right knee. Right hand rests behind you. Inhale to get tall. Exhale, spiral to your right and look way back. Keep your hand on your knee, face forward, and with the next inhale, sweep the right arm up and over across the sky. Look up. And done. Place your hands onto your knees. Circle the torso, lubricating the spine. Inhale as you circle forward. Exhale as you circle back. Other direction. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Inhale, send your chest forward, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, round your back, head and chin down. Inhale, drive the chest forward. Exhale, round the back, head down. Inhale, chest forward, head is high. Exhale, round. If it's okay for your neck, inhale, chest forward. Now send the head back, nose up to the sky. Exhale, round the spine. Sitting tall, wrap the right hand behind your back. The hands clasp at your left waist. Tip your left ear to your left shoulder. The shoulders are both down and relaxed. In slow motion, with the next exhale, point your nose to your left armpit. Keep your head just as it is, but release the arms. With your next exhale, let the nose drop till it points down the center of your chest. With the inhale, lift your head, roll the shoulders up, back, and down. And roll the shoulders a couple more times. Wrapping your left arm behind your back. Clasp the hands at the right side of the waist. Right ear to right shoulder. Make sure the shoulders stay relaxed. Lumbar spine with lots of space between each vertebrae. On the next exhale, point the nose to your right armpit. Don't move the head, but let the arms relax. With your next exhale, let the nose drop till it points down the center of your chest. Inhale, lift the chin. Roll your shoulders forward, up, back, and down. A couple more times. Rolling the shoulders the opposite direction. A couple more times. Cross your arms and let the fingertips dig into the trapezius. Begin to orbit your head in slow motion. Inhaling as you take the head back. Exhale as you take the head forward. Switch direction. Drop the hands onto your knees. Exhale, head forward and down. Let the head stay down, and this may be enough, but if you need more intensity, take your hands, interlace the fingers, hands rest on the back of the head, and let the arms be heavy, creating a deeper stretch. With the next exhale, tenderly point your nose to the left armpit. Your breathing is smooth and even. On your next exhale, point the nose to the right armpit. Use the next exhale to point the nose straight down the chest. Release the arms down. Inhale, slow motion, lift the head. Circle the shoulders. Cross your arms and hold onto your shoulders, keeping the shoulders down. When you next inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, chin down. If you like, try a more advanced option, crossing at the elbows and wrists. Ideally, the palms press firmly together, with the elbows up and shoulders down. Then press the hands away from the face. Release, and we'll do the other side. Shoulders stay down. Inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, chin down. If the hands touch, press the hands forward, away from the face. Please relax. Clasp the hands behind your back and encourage the hands up towards the sky. Only if it's comfortable for your neck, you can send your head back, nose to the sky. Option to add twisting side to side. Fingertips on the front of your shoulders. Roll your elbows into giant circles. Inhale, elbows forward and up. Exhale, elbows down. Opposite direction. Hands on the knees, relax. Make fists and rub the back of your neck on either side of the cervical spine. Be sure to sit tall and have the breath smooth and even. Stopping, rest the hands onto the knees. Inhale, send the shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale, round, head down. Inhale, chest forward. If it's okay for your neck, nose to the sky. Exhale, round the back, chin down. A few more times. To finish, please rest. Lay down in corpse pose so you look like you're a gingerbread man.